The power cord passes through the cord protector as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord protector gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord protector is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord can tend to kink near the handle. This can lead to broken wires. Left unprotected, the cord can also rub against the handle housings, eventually rubbing through the insulation, leaving bare wires. Replacing the cord protector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the handle. Now I'll remove the strain relief and the cord keeper from the housing. Now I can remove the cord from the switch. I'll use a small screwdriver to open the cord connector and pull the wire out. Now I'll use a screwdriver to open the cord keeper and pull it off of the cord. And now I'll remove the strain relief. Now I'll install the new strain relief. Now I'll reinstall the cord clamp. I align it with the marks on the cord and clamp it back into place. Now I can reinstall the cord onto the switch. First the black wire, and then the white. I'll place the switch back into the housing, place the cord clamp into the recess for it, and realign the strain relief with the recess in the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear half of the handle and securing it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to replace the cord protector on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.